Alright guys, today we're going to do an oil change on my Yamaha AR195. This would apply to probably a lot of boats. It's a really simple process. The main tool you need for this job is right here. You need a evacuator. This is essentially what's going to just pull the oil out of the engine. And I've had a couple of these, and by far this OEM Tools one has been the best because it's really fast. And it's super easy to dump and all that sort of thing. It's just a really great tool. So I highly recommend that. I've used other ones, like I said, and they're just really slow and haven't performed anywhere near this one. This is like, I've used this one 4 years in a row now. I do my oil changes once a year, so I'll just do one oil change every year on this. And yeah, full synthetic motor oil. I got my filter. So let's get in the boat and get it started. Okay, so here we are in the engine bay of the Yamaha AR195. This is our 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. Great little engine, by the way. And this is the oil filter. We're going to start here on this oil change. So we're going to spin this oil filter off. Really simple process. I threw a little rag down there because, you know, you want to catch any oil that does drip out of here. All right, you got a sealed compartment here, so you want to keep it clean and tidy. You can see this is 4 years I've had this boat, and it's nice and clean in here, and I keep it that way every year I do this oil change. So got the new filter here, Yamaha filter. I will put some oil on that O-ring, make sure it comes off easy the following year. So I'll put a little oil on that and then spin it on after I take this one off. Really simple process. And then we'll get on to extracting the oil. Okay, we're all hooked up here to the oil extractor. You can see it's already starting. I'm gonna create a vacuum, right, by operating the handle. And it actually goes really quick. So you can see it starting there. And it'll take about maybe 15 minutes. You can see I've got it right there on the dipstick hole. So you just push that tube in there until it stops right at the bottom. And when you buy one of these extractors, it comes with different tubes. So this is the thin tube. They have a thicker tube. This is the thin tube meant to go down the dipstick hole. Dipstick's just sitting right there. And again, there's good solid oil flow in this right now. You can look at it, you can see little bubbles passing by every once in a while, but there's good flow. You can see it coming down the side. And that'll pull about, out of this engine, it'll pull about 4 quarts. And you'll know when it's done, or I'll show you when it's done. We'll come back to that. But let's give it a few, and we'll come back to it when it finishes. All right, guys, here's the end of the line here with the oil change. You can see it's sucking up the last little few drops of oil. So this extractor holds about 6 quarts. And so it's, you know, it takes out of this engine, it takes out right around 4 quarts. So that's what we got in there now. And like I said, it does it really quick. So I just let it finish, get it all out there, and once that's done, then what I do is, it's really simple. You just pull the tube out of the dipstick hole, put the dipstick back in, and this just comes off really easy. You just screw that off, and then you just dump the oil out in a container. Then I put it away for the year and use it again next year, and that's it. So again, works really good, and it's a very effective tool. Highly recommend it. Super easy to change. So I'll get this all put away. Then the last step, I've already done the oil filter, so the last step is just refilling the engine with fresh oil, which I put about 4 liters in. and I'll get onto that now. And this is the last quart going in the engine. And yeah, again, I use full synthetic oil. Recommends 1030. So I like to run really good oil in it. Change it once a year. Engine should last me a good long time. All right. So again, super easy to change the oil in these. No problem at all. No mess. Everything's nice and tight. The cap back on. And that's it. We're done. That's the oil change complete for another year. Yamaha AR195. Great little engine. Super easy to take care of and maintain. Any questions, just let me know. Happy to answer. Have fun out there, guys. See ya.